On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making a creamy lemon chicken pasta dish. Now, most everybody loves Italian food, so we thought that since we're doing a series on lemons, that having a lemon pasta would be great. Of course, it all starts with the pasta, and that starts with your water. So, set some water to boil, season it with some salt, and then bring another pan to make your pasta sauce. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're using a very light olive oil here. You may have a more yellowish green olive oil, a heavier olive oil, that's fine. You'll get more of an olive flavor. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Just let that melt down. As it melts, start a little sizzle. And then to that butter olive oil mixture, we're going to add our garlic. So we're adding a tablespoon of minced garlic. This is going to start cooking. It's going to start filling your kitchen with wonderful, wonderful aromas. So just let that cook for a minute or 2. Don't let it burn. And to that, you're going to add your lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. You can use store-bought lemon in a bottle, or you could do like we did in this instance, and we used fresh squeezed lemons. Either way, it should taste great. Now after your lemons, add your heavy cream. We're using 3/4 of a cup here. We're basically making a kind of Alfredo sauce. Okay, so after that, it's all mixed up, stir it up, all those flavors meld together. To that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of Parmesan. 1/2 cup of Parmesan. And then some salt and pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon of each. That's really according to your taste. We're going to mix this, let that Parmesan melt. Get your sauce going, put it over a low heat. Then as your water starts to boil, put in your pasta. We're using bucatini in this instance. You can use spaghetti, you can use a rigatoni, you can use a bow tie. It is really up to you. But look how good that sauce looks. Alright, so the pasta's cooking, the sauce is done. We're going to let that pasta cook to completion. In our case, it's about 10 to 12 minutes. After that, we're going to add a tablespoon of the pasta water to our sauce. And we just don't want it to get too thick. So we drain our pasta, pour it into our sauce. We're going to coat that bucatini with that lemon Alfredo sauce. This sauce smells wonderful at this point. Now, because we like them, we are going to add some mushrooms. These are strictly just canned mushrooms. I'm not doing anything special to them. For us personally, we like them. You can leave them out if you like. Just look at that sauce. Look how that sauce coats everything. And while you're looking at that, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notify button so that you would never miss an episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. Also, leave a comment. We love comments. It tells us what we're doing right and what you want to see next. Alright, so your sauce is done, your pasta's coated in it, it's time to plate it. We're using a simple bowl. We've got our pasta, we've got our mushrooms. Look how good that looks, but we're not done yet. To this, we're going to add a piece of grilled chicken. Just tops it off. Add some protein. We cook this separately. Just get it on there. And of course, what goes with pasta but a piece of garlic toast? So there you have it. This is your creamy lemon chicken pasta. I think it looks wonderful. I hope you agree. Thank you for watching this episode from Ghost Host Kitchen. Again, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.